guys, welcome back to another Caden's World video. And for today's video, we will be doing tie-dyes with the shirts. So it's me and my family, and we will get the shirts and we will tie-dye them, and you will get to see how they look at the end. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do when tie-dyeing shirts is you want to get the bottles and you want to fill them up with water. But you want to make sure that you do it in a safe place so you don't make a mess. And the kit that my mom purchased from Walmart came with 12 different colors in them. So you'll have a lot of options to choose from for your tie-dye design. Shake them up. Shake, shake, shaky.
Grab another one, Caden. Got to make sure all the powder is shaken up.
This one good. Would it like me shake bottles?
Okay, look at it and make sure you got to make sure the powder is all mixed in.
Yellow. Think about the colors. TikTok game. Now that we have mixed up all the colors, set them aside, lay out your white t-shirts, and let's get ready to tie-dye and have some fun.
Fade it this way. Right in the ball. Make sure.
Look at, make sure it's nice and cute.
You got it.
I feel like I did too much. There are so many patterns and designs you can do. We decided to do a spiral design for our first time. Just take a shirt, scrunch it from the center and turn. Then you add rubber bands to hold it together.
All right, Caden, you ready? All right, here comes the fun part.
Putting them on, I get to choose my colors. So we were supposed to use the same colors on both sides and then flip it.
Take the cap off nice and slow. One color in one section. Stay in one triangle, okay? Pick it up. Stay in one triangle. Squirt. Caden, hold it over closer in.
Oh snap.
Caden, hold it in.
I got it.
Don't wait.
This wasn't as easy as I thought, but it was so much fun. I got tie-dye everywhere. It was hard to keep one color inside of the rubber bands, but I did my best. Actually, it looks nice. It looks good.
Should put a little more green.
Green more. Alright, so where's the green? Right here. Yep, that's good.
Turn it over. Let me see the other side of it, Caden. You got to get the other side, Caden. Oh, you got to do the other side. Turn it over.
Yeah,
you have to do the other side. See, I've been holding mine up and doing both sides at the same time.
Okay. You got to make sure you know what color you're doing.
Yeah, you can't be switching colors.
No, he did.
Caden's is going to be a plethora of colors.
Oh my goodness, should have made it. He just poured his stuff over it.
That looks nice, actually. I like it.
You think so?
Yep.
You need more orange on the other side. Why you ain't just follow the
Stop
color?
trying to give me the more colors. I don't want to mess
look,
it up.
it's just all white there.
You got to cover the white, Caden.
All right, where's the blue? I'm going to do the blue.
Oh God, I done mixed up my a little bit of red. My yellow is not covered by all the other colors.
Jesus, Jesus.
There it go. You know, let's just dry. That's not good. I'm done. Mommy, yours is so dark. I think mine is going to come out better.
Everything is a competition with you.
Yeah, why is yours so dark? Yours is going to, oh God.
My yellow guy.
But how much red you got?
Yours is finished, Caden?
Yep.
Now we gotta get the saran wrap. Give me yours.
This is such a successful beauty. I am such a successful beauty. Look at this. Look at that. But look at that. Oh, that looks so nice. It looks so late. What in the frame?
Dang.
Looks like that. All right, Kaden.
Next, we cover them in saran wrap. Let them sit for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours or overnight so the stain can set and dry. It's time to unwrap them. Let's see how they look. Now it's time to rinse them out.
Take the rubber bands off.
Oh, take the rubber bands off.
Drop the rubber bands in the sink.
My whole inside is white.
You can put it on. That's good.
That's a big gap. That look good. Look at little designs on the shirt.
Hold it. Then squeeze it until you see no color. You see the color falling
You're
out?
not getting outside the anything. Oh, snap. You have green zombie. You have green zombie. Mine is better. Show them.
This one is how mine came out. We definitely didn't get the tie-dye in the middle of the shirt.
No. Don't forget to wash them before you wear them. 1, 2. And here is our first tie-dye reveal. Ta-da! What do you guys think? Not so bad. They came out a little light. The color didn't go all the way through, but I like them. Something simple and easy to do with your family. Now you can dance in your tie-dye shirts like me.
So the very next day, I decided to come back and redo the shirts. I really wanted to fill in a lot of those white empty spots. Despite the fact that my son said he loved his, me being the perfectionist that I am, I really wanted to see if I could make the shirts a little better. Besides, I had a lot of coloring left over, so I really wanted to add some more to it, and prayed I didn't mess them up. Plus, I had an additional white t-shirt, so I wanted to definitely use that to come up with a different color pattern. I used the exact same spiral method, used the rubber bands, but this time, I heard that if you soak the shirts first before you use the tie-dye, it would help the color seep all the way through. So I definitely wanted to use that method to see if it would help. It really looked like it was working, so I prayed that these shirts came out better this time around. Also, I did it over the sink, so that way I wouldn't make as much as a mess that we made last time around. So this time around, I really took my time to make sure I got the colors in between all the layers, front, back, and in between. I really wanted that nice spiral effect that I was hoping for once the shirt is dried and opened up. So I noticed that because I wet the shirts prior to dyeing them, this truly helped for the color to stick to the shirt as opposed to splattering everywhere like yesterday on my deck. Thank goodness I had a tarp down. This made it so much easier. The colors really stuck to the shirt and it made for a much better cleanup. And I'm all for that as a mother. This is my son's shirt. I'm so nervous because he really didn't want me to do his over again, but I'm trying to surprise him and hope I can bring his colors out more. Guys, make sure you always wear gloves when you're doing tie-dyes because this stuff is messy and it will definitely take a while to get out your hands. So I'm pretty much done. I know you guys are probably bored looking at me recoloring shirts, but I definitely wanted to see if wetting the shirts first would make a big difference. So far so good, but you can't really tell until you open them up. So I'm just going to repeat all the same steps and pray they come out even better. Thanks for sticking with me. Guys, thanks for watching Kaden's World. Big reveal coming up next. We're going to show you the final reveal in a fashion show and hope you enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.